Hello everyone, you want to listen to Lusha here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to make our 25-liter multipurpose liquid soap. Bear in mind that when making your multipurpose liquid soap, you have to have a separate water on ground in case of spillage. Now, we have to understand that this is the simplest form of making your multipurpose liquid soap. Let's go into the production. In my production bowl, I have 20 liters of water and I have 5 liters of water separate, and I have this water in case of spillage. Now that's my nitrous, my caustic soda, my XLS, my foam booster, my Texapon, my sulfuric acid, and then my STPP and soda ash. Now we're going to be adding the STPP and soda ash into the 5 liters of water we set aside. We stir and keep it aside. Now in the production bowl, we'll be adding our nitrous, so we will stir properly. After stirring, we add our caustic soda. So this, we are still stirring, and then we'll add our caustic soda. I'm sorry, I didn't show the part where I added my caustic soda. Okay, yeah, this is the part where I added my caustic soda, and then I stir properly to get this consistency. Yes, this is what it looks like after adding your caustic soda. Then the next thing I'm going to be adding into this production is the XLS that looks like rice. Is a foaming agent, and then you stir properly. You have to stir properly. The only way you can confirm it's well stirred is when you get this. There will be no sign of any of that grain in the production. And then I'm going to be adding our foam booster. The next thing I'm going to be adding is our foam booster. So this is our foam booster, and then we're going to be stirring very well. When I say stir, I mean stir. If you don't stir your production very well, it is going to reduce the quantity and the quality of your soap. Now after adding our foam booster and stirring to get to this, the next thing to add is our Texapon. As you can see, I'm adding our Texapon. Then you stir again very well. When you add your Texapon, you're going to get a very thick, can you see, your soap is already thick. Now watch what happens when you add our sulfuric acid. This is our sulfuric acid. Yes, I'm adding our sulfuric acid and I'm stirring. You can see it's now watching. You don't have to be worried. The next thing I'm adding is I already dissolved soda ash and STPP. You can see our soap is back again, very thick. If you don't want your soap to be thick, you can choose to add more water. Then I added perfume. At this point, I left my soap this way. However, if you want to add color after adding your perfume or before adding your perfume, you can add your color. So this is what it looks like when you add your color. You can choose to play with any color. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you learned something. Kindly click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload there. Thank you so much and have a great time.